Hello everyone, good morning. Hello, hello. This is your simple and fun family. Today I will go walking everyone. Nakauna siya. I go walking today everybody. I will go beside and the river. Walking beside the river everyone. I have to wear this one because today is they said is the 45% it's raining. I have to wear gigin raining everybody. And we are not getting wet yet. Let's go together everybody. I have to go to the wherever and walking over there and I have to look the nice view everyone. Uy, it's nice to go to everyone at the river beside ya. I later when I'm back I go to the garden everyone. Yeah, garden. I have to make it ready. I will bring water everyone. Yeah. Water assistant for me. A little bit cold everyone. Oh, a little bit yeah. A little bit cold, but it's go, Lisa. So, let's go, everybody. I hope all is okay. I have to wear my shoes. Where is my shoes now? Very boring in the house, everyone. I have to go in the garden later, everybody. And I'm back. Wearing the shoes of going walking. Yeah. Everyone, I hope you are all okay. I am okay, everybody. You know already, I'm always busy. Later, I go in the garden because I make ready my tangkong for the plant. I make it ready, everyone, yeah. Kay, I hope di mamatay akong tangkong. Nanurok na. A little bit already like that. My tangkong, everyone, like that. My husband said, wait a little bit. That I will put her in the kaang, everyone. In the kaang only is okay for vegetable only, everybody. You have to eat kaang or 10. Big one in the garden, yeah. Beside the house over there. So, wait everyone ha. Tukaan ko sa kong laway. Asa naman to ako ang. Ay, mint, yeah, mint. I have to bring the mint, everyone. Wait, everyone. I bring the mint in case of that. Just only in case this one, yeah. I have a little bit cold. That is from the ice cream because last Saturday is 25 degree. I eat ice cream, yeah. Subawan labas, everyone, subaw. I have a little bit cold yesterday. Yesterday evening, I have a sip on, yeah. All is okay, everybody. So, I think we will go now, everyone. We go now. I have to make this one because later I have to make it. Hey, excuses. In the top, yeah. Subawan, everybody. I'm sorry, everyone. My nose is always My nose of is sweet ya. Sipon. Tubig. Sa tubig ako ilo. So, it's time to go na everyone ay. Kay abtan niya tag-uwan. Raining, nabalit raining. I'm not long everyone. I bring only the umbrella everybody. I do not bring umbrella everyone. This coat is for a raining this one ya. Nabasa yung kong ilong ya. Tubig. Nilukar wala si puno eh. There's only water my nose everyone eh. Water. Let's go everybody. Let's go to rock and roll everyone. I hope it's not raining now. So the power bank I put inside everyone my guys in my coat ya. You have to enjoy it in the morning everyone. Later I go in the garden then back. Let's go. Let's go together. We are in 6 minutes everyone ya. Lock the door everyone ya. Maybe I bring for a cover of the coop oy. A little bit man cold my head or not. Because beside the river is okay. I wear a cover of my coat ya. We are not long. 1 hour is okay ya. 1 hour everyone. Raining is coming ya. Raining. You have to lock the door everyone ya. Let's go. Hi. Go everyone. You have to put in the view everyone. Okay, my piece ya. Go ahead ya. We are not long. Raining is coming ya. The wind a little bit cold, yeah. It's cold. Okay, everyone, ini only one round. Tay, asa ka punta? Asan ka punta? Ah, papos? Ato ko river. River walking ko. Ha?
Palagi rin kami nag-walking.
Maayo. Walking din ako.
Ano naman ang tanong?
Akong tanong matay man day, akong sayuti day.
Uy,
Nabutang gud siya na ako early a little bit middle of April kay
nag-apura ka man.
oy anay day. 18 degree man bis 21 degree anay kagabi
Nga nga nagtugnaw
ano
ka.
day pagkagabi ire ingon kung bana na prusi niya na imong tanong gawas man nimo. Ano gadali mo kore para ka-harvest og sayo.
Tantangon ko yung iba, ihatag ko sa imo.
Naare ka?
Oo, si Bobby, gitagaan ko. Kuan, ambot, pila to gihatag.
Taga ko rin matay kung sayuti.
Tangtangon ako, ibutang na ako sa paso, tapos ihatag na ako sa imo ha.
Andiri ko mag-agi ana ana. Hala ko ingon ko. Hala di na jud ni ingon sa tawo.
Patong ko day, duha ka buok, para may tanom ka po.
Kay gani ko ano sa man ta naa kay time akong kuhaon.
Ha?
Ano sa man naa kay time akong kuhaon ug na ka time.
Kaya ugma.
O sige unsang orasa.
Kay karon
Nag-uol ko dai ingon ko hala wa sao naman ako paghatag iso sang bayi sa tuoy nga.
Unya, kay kuan man, itong may naman ko, aniya may akong apo sa unyang
Ah,
hapon.
ugma na lang.
Oo.
Ugma na kana naa kay time kay kukuan kana. Ay ingon jud sang tawo.
Yung kuwakpan, kita si Lisa.
Hala
So,
oy.
tanong na siguro siya.
Sus gitanom na kog sayo.
Tanom. Ngayon, karon nagluyong po na ko, kuan, kananaang kamalunggay.
Wala mo turok ako aday. Isulod ko sa balay wala jud turok day oy. Pangita kung liso na wa man asa man kadto mga motorok. Atoy maka oy nga pilar makabuo ka lisuha kayo. Wala man kan turok.
Gitan tanan. Ako kuan lang. Upat ka buok akong gitan. Kay
Wala,
gani mo tubang iba.
Mao kani upat man tingay to upat kaliso wala jung turok ang ano man mabuhi siya oy nga.
Di kaya nga akong pag luyong ana, iluyong na ako sa kuan.
Kaag.
Gamay nga paso.
Agam.
Karon, isulod na ako sa silupin.
Ay.
Dili usan nimo na ina
Diretso sa kaang man ako pero wala sa gawas sa sulod balay.
Oo.
Oh.
Kailangan ni isulod nimo sa silupin kay mag-moist baya siya.
Oo,
Dili
may
pag
pay mo
sige.
gi-explainan kung sa pagtanom. Oy, sus.
Kausaran nimo buhusan og tubig, basa siya tas sulod sa silupin.
Ay, good idea na inaana oy.
Oo, ginasulod na ako sa silupin kay
Wala,
para
Jo.
dili sige.
Iya pila kabok na buhi mo wala man ako.
Wala pa kay pila pa lang kaadlong na akong giluyong. Kay tugnaw pa kayo. Ingon gani ko ako bala.
Ingon sa tawo na anak ka na pa kay reserve na siya iko no more.
Tugnaw na nang akong kuhan Pilipino.
Iniingon na kung bana na o mo palit tas isya store sa ipalit ko last time sa pakanagkuag dahon way mo hatag bunga. Wala ang udlot akong giutan sa so karon remember. Kapalit tag upat tag duha akong giutan nagduha gitanom.
Kanang giingon ni kan ni Bobby kanang palito nato sa Essence Store.
Di man mo tong bunga.
Dili mo bunga.
Dili.
Kuan lang siya, mulambo lang
Lasa tambukag dahon day.
Oo.
Pakatambuka.
Pero ang udlot pwede man nimo tanong.
Utano ng udlot oh. May akong utan man ay sagol man ako utan mga udlot pero useless kayo kay sus pakatambuka day.
Oo.
Gahuwat kus bunga wa joy bunga.
Patong ko na lang katong duha kay mga pila ba to gihatag ni Bobby sa ako unom siguro to.
Hala kadaghan pang hatag uy. Panghatag.
May nanat, may turok na siya day.
Mao gani panghatag kay ako nang itanom uy.
Oo, okay. Para may naputa pa siglig.
Mao gani ingon ko nga hala do Ginoo kung saon man siya sa asa man ko ani uy. Gahuwat man ko ni ano kung hatag siya nimo basi.
Oo.
Marian wala man siya mutik sa ko. Kung namatay man ko pugiya.
Agoy. Ano siguro ako gani, nakatanom na day sa garden, pero gitakpan na ako nagkuhan kay mutog na ra ba sa gabi eh.
Oh, sa gabi ay tugnaw. Oh,
Oo.
tugnaw.
Karon kay ingon na lang ang pano.
Dahon.
Oo.
O mukalit na siya, murag alien dahil mukalit na siya subutay ba, murag alien, parang alien.
Gitakpan kurang na siya karon kay mo ingon daw mo muulan.
Oh,
So akong gipalibutan na og kuan siniki corner nga padi kaunon sa siniki.
oh, kay muatak man ang sneaky na oh.
Oo, kay lami jud ang dahon anak.
Oh,
Pag bag-o sable.
mao kani oh.
Bukaton ko to duha. Parehatag na lang na ako nimo kay
Kae ko.
to.
Kae ko daghan kay kana oy unom kabuk. Ako na duha kay og mamatay nung usa na ko usa reserve.
Mga siguro mga unong siguro to ang gibutang dito.
Ay, Diyos ko, ako nang pai.
Tanom na siya.
Pero kuhaan ko, ugma na kay time. Sige, unsa orasan ako kuhaan.
Buntag.
Oh, sige. Kay malakaw mga bata na school. Break ko.
Pag ko ng kabataan.
Oo. Morgan maintenance. Ay, Diyos ko, God.
Bantay ako sa mga apo niya eh.
May hatol po to niya, day.
Oo, diri sila maningot sa mo ah.
Ah, magluto ka, day.
Oh, sus kay permanente jud everyday kay
Ay, bahala, luto kayo.
kauli man pud akong bana.
Oo, uli, ulayan
Everyday
ko.
ko na siya mo kauli.
Oo,
So magluto jud ko everyday.
luto, oh. Ako rin mo uli sa tawo.
Karon adlaw damo-damo na akong pagluto kay maabot tong
Mo anak, oh.
oo,
Inito.
pati ako. Na magbunggo na lang ako.
Alam mo, ang munggo, ay kaon, may munggo. Ang mga bata, di mo kaon sa ando, sa ako makaon munggo. Munggo, so.
Yung akong mga anak.
Kung mga anak duha, kaya kung inang tilaw mo, sa pagkakuan, yung di mo tilaw, uy, ginoo ko. Huwag pili.
Oh, dugay ka nawa magluto ani. Karon na-miss nilang mga luto sa balay. Kaya yung sige, kagahapon, nag-take sa yung akong kaduha. Mama, send ko nga yung recipe ng ano.
Magluto siya.
Oh, makabalik na rin, maging puto.
Ay, pagkasabaa, man ang tao. Ato ko rito mag-agi di, agi di rin dito.
Dili ko ako na gusto nila mag-hibo kay
Para makatuon, day. Ako mga anak, wala pa, day. Mahadlok, mapasok, day. Anay, sus,
Pero
ginoo.
naman, akong bana naman, mahal. Tulungan mo ako magawa ka ng lumpia sa Sabado. Ay! Sabi, bakit? Ayaw mo kumita? Bayaran na sa kumpanya. Oh, sige.
Baka na, bata, ni mo magdasiya, baligya ba? Kwarta man na, day.
Permanente.
Hala, kaninduta, oy, tagpilang, pagkabuki buon mo, day.
Karon, sinta. May nagani na kinukuha kami na nung nakaraan,
Oo.
kasal. Sus, balinda mga tao day, kami nagluto.
Ako,
Kay binta man ang akong lumpia.
lumpia di mo, kalami mo na.
Himo.
Mao na ilang ganahan, day.
200. Kabuok.
No, sus, kadaghan na, day. Mapalaw ka, anak, putos.
Sabi kay ako kita.
Dako ang kita na, double. Double kay.
Kay dagdag lang palit sa ato sa Pilipinas.
Nung dako na. Pisprang sa dili, mami kauli, day. Dili, mami, cancel mo, next year na.
Ayun.
Dili, dayon nga, among flight, day. Mag-agi, og Dubai, duha, no way.
Boyo.
Ko no way shots kay rakrakat pala itong isakyan shot, no? Hala! Ingon sa tao, sure ka shot. Are you not crying? Ingon, dili ko mo cry.
Oo.
Dili ko muli kay arong safety atong kinabuhi.
Lagi.
Next year lang, pero Singapore itong kuwaon shots.
Oo. Karon kay medyo mahal pa man ang kuan,
Uy,
pamasahe.
ingon siya, pangitaan, migpaagi sa Global Truther. Mag-additional, migbayad 4,000. Ingon, no way.
Ay, sayang, uy.
Nakabayad, tag 5,000 additional, pata 4,000. No way, I do not go home.
Oo.
Uy, kasayang.
Sayang, uy.
Ingon sa tao, okay.
Naghihirap na yung mga tao sa Pilipinas.
Oh,
Tapos ganun lang wag na lang.
wag na. Next year na lang.
Ganun din, uwi ka, gagastos ka.
Gastos talaga.
Maghintay na lang. Mag-anggibot pa man na siya.
Oh,
Next year, tingnan mo.
oh. Mga 3,000 over next year, day.
Kami next year, pag mo pauli kami next year, dito mo yung agi sa Cebu. Di na sa Manila.
Cebu na lang, oy, para ma-enjoy mo. Oy, sa Cebu. Pa Cebu to Samar.
Gani.
Na, may to connection, oh.
Pwede man magbarko day.
Oh,
Na,
barko,
kuwan.
oh, naa,
May
manindot,
may
open
naman
air.
mutabok nga kuan.
Kiri ka.
Oh, kay pag mutabok gani sa mula Cebu, to ano sa 5 minutes lang ang kuan, dungguan.
Oy, kadali ara, oy.
Oh, 5 minutes lang na lakarin.
Oo, laki na ra din ha, diri ra do ra.
Oo, mura dire nga ito sa may bibipang.
Ayaw na lang mo pag-agi og Manila, oy, Cebu lang diretso,
Gani.
oy. Para diretso
Kay
nagsama.
nagsakay na ba yung barko? Yung tabok mi pa Cebu kay ato man may sa Malapaskwa.
Kana may kuan na puhon. Uli mo next year.
Oo,
O
sure.
uli may puhon pero Singapore ay mo kuhaon. Yung isang tao ay
Pero summer man kami pauli, kami January man.
ay maunda man ka. Ay. Sa amin mi kay mga bata sa amin man na.
Kita mo sa
Biga
abot.
punta mag-abot. Oo.
Oo. Eh, wala naman may mga estudyante.
Unya mo ba na retire man ini ka next year no?
Oo, pero ang ingon sa kumpanya nga tapuson niya ang bugos nga tuig.
Ah, survive na dai.
Oo.
Dako na nakayo siya mahimo basta survive na una. Uy,
Pero
kailan niya.
mag-una man ko pagpauli kaya ako mo
Apas na siya.
Oo. Budungan mi usad pagpauli pag mag-retire na siya. Karon mubalik siya diri ako magpabilin kay magpahimo man kami balay. Siya
Ah,
mubalik diri. Kay ingon ko di ko musugot nga tuwa siya dito magbaghimo balay di kay di niya mapugngan nga makakita mga tao nga manumano sa kamot.
oh.
Dito kay di machine man.
Mao kani oh.
Di
Nga
na niya
dito, ang tayo dito, ang
makayanan.
uban dito, pagkapungkura, wa ka dito, maayo nang naa ka dito kay tanan malihok ba?
Oo, kay dito
Oo.
magtuk-tuk-tuk ka kay
Oo.
kung muna ako
Nya sige, kag salary, nya sige, kubot ug hammer, nya wa day to mag-work, nya tabako ra, wa na, pagkapungkura pwede na.
May naa naman may nakuha nga kuan
Engineer,
pero
oh.
siya ang mag-manage tanan.
Tanan, oh.
Sa
Kana mo
sayahan na
nindot.
lang mi mo bayad.
Oh, kana mo nindot.
Siya ang mukuan sa mga trabahante.
Kana mo nindot, tay.
O sige na kay
Oh, sige na, kay ako, pero ariber ko rin, guho na po ko.
Ulibot ka.
Maadtom ko sa garden unya po, magtanaw ko sa mga tanong, bakan ag sneak, kinaaman ko swivel. Mao gani,
Man
day.
na ihatag na.
Oh, unsa orasa ko maadto?
Mga sa buntag na pag-alarga sa imong mga
Oh, sige, abot, sige ha. Sige, thank you. Bye, Day. Ingat. Ay. Hi, everybody, everyone. I meet my friends. My friend. She will give me sayuti, everyone. I'm very happy kay may sayuti is patay. I need to plant. She told me I have to pick up tomorrow morning 2 pieces sayuti. I'm very happy, everyone. She will give me a nice. I will meet her when I'm walking. I'm happy. Look, cut the grass again. Very special. Very special. Drive on there. Kasi dali ko everyone kay maabtan niya tag-uwan. Today is raining raining, but I think in the afternoon lightning raining today. We see the weather walking sa dali everybody. Just only beside the river, everyone. I have to go. Anyway, 24 minutes na. I hope I can upload today, everyone. Look, guys. New building, everyone. Oh, go. Look, oh, very big. The school of my daughter, everyone. School. I do not go there. Kay, so many knows with me. Many knows with me. Otherwise is pagalitan ko tayo Look, a building there, everyone. Oh, very big building, apartment, everybody. This year we will start, everyone. This year, almost finished, everyone. Look, oh, very quick use all machine ya. Machine. Ay, maayo ganda ka nakita na ko akong amiga. She is from summer everyone. She is a very good ya. The school my daughter is there everyone ya. I like to go walking only. Walking. Mag-walking ka kay. Good for the health. I have a good sleep if I do walking everyone. Very nice my sleeping guys ya. We will cut the grass everybody. We will cut the grass very. Man will cut the grass. Here lang we have to go everyone ya. Here. Nagkalita kayo pa auto. Ay. She told me tomorrow I have to get. Tomorrow. And the kiddos going to the school, go to the school. Then I have to get ya. Enjoy it everyone. Very boring everybody. But I have to do it. Important I have to go walking everyone. We have to try maybe this one here. Try here. It's nice also here. Walking everyone. Tired ya. I have to balik-balik everyone kay magkuhan ko I have to go in the garden. Nice flowers oh. Nice garden everyone. Lola sayo guys, Lola exercise everybody. Dari sayo nga exercise, Lola walking. Look at everyone, very quiet everyone. Very quiet. Hindi ko na shortcut everyone. Maybe sa shortcut ya. Here. Ito kadakong truck. Very big lager house. Still lager house. Train, bro. Train. Side road na. This side. New apartment again. New apartment. New apartment. Everyone over there. Ay, naghahanap ng apartment eh. So many apartment ibabad. Very nice garden everyone. Oh, nice. Very nice. Ay, yung taon is not raining. Winter pag raining in the night time. Para di mahumod ng mga anak. Uy. Ay. 33 minutes pa we are everyone. 33 minutes. You have to go beside the river, everybody. The train is coming, everyone. The train is coming. Yeah. Going to Zurich, yeah. Train. Yeah, going to Zurich at everyone. The train. Going to Zurich, yeah. Slowly but surely we are everyone. One round, let me make everyone one round. Boring in the house, yeah. When I'm back, I have to go in the garden, yeah. Everybody is cutting there. There's no issue over there. Everybody is cutting.
Was könnten wir noch etwas anderes einstellen?
They will open there is making something in the trailer. They make it something, the man and the boy and the girl. You do not go there, everyone. There is a video camera over there, everyone. What I have to make is just only here. There's only here beside river, everybody. Like that on everyone, yeah. I can make it, yeah. Yeah. Maayo gani kay. I'm very happy I will meet my friend, yeah. I pick up tomorrow, yeah. Sa UT. Then I have to wait a little bit, everyone, yeah. I make it sure. Na, that is a toilet, everyone. If you go walking, if you will make a pee mark in there, the toilet is the toilet, yeah. Na, si Bruna, da. Trustan. Then you can see it here, everyone, oh. Look. Beside the river, everyone, what a nice. I'm very happy, everyone, oh. You walk beside the river. So nice, yeah. Enjoy it, everyone. Guys, you have to enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel, everyone. Like and share to my YouTube channel. And also to the Facebook, everyone. I have page there. Please. Para po makatulong po tayo, everyone. I will do my best, everyone, yeah. I will do, guys, my best, yeah. My boat of my honey is there. No time for the boat, everyone. No time. My honey is working, yeah. Just only if I have pray. Then we go. The body will cutting the tree. Very nice here, oh, to sit down here. Have a shadow, yeah. Disturbing the trees, everyone. We cannot see the river. It's only over there, yeah. It's very nice to walk every day, everyone. Oh. Very nice, yeah. I'm very happy, yeah. Yeah. That is the boat na yun, hope, yeah. Fishing, boat clubs. Boat clubs na yun, hope, yeah. There is the train to the other side, oh. Yeah, 29, this 31. I have to go there. I help to my husband, yeah. You will cook fish there, you will sell. What's that, man? This is scientific. This is I don't know. This is project. Look, oh. What kind of project this one? Sus, dihaguan yun laman siya, oh. Dihaguan. Ay, what kind of project that, oh? Culture weg limat. Aha, that is from the culture. That is from the culture, yeah. Doesn't know, Andalisa doesn't know that. Don't know that. Culture. Cultura Platz, yeah. The nature. You have to go, everyone. Go back, Lisa, slowly in the house, because you have to go in the garden, everybody. Garden. You have to put gig in the for the sneaker. The sneaker doesn't eat my vegetables in the garden. Because when it's raining, the snake will attack. Daghang pinaakan akong tanom. I have to put gig in snake, yeah. That it doesn't eat my fruits, yeah. My vegetables in the garden. Oh my God, just only me alone here. Nobody else, just only me. Okay, no more disturbing everyone. Very happy, everyone. Very happy, guys. To the other side, anybody will cut a tree. I hope it's not here. Boat as a system solution. I don't know what kind of boat is on everyone. Very long boat, yeah. For student, something like that. It is only the long boat for student, yeah. On the other side, we're cutting the trees, yeah. Very noisy, okay. Ayaw, when it's not here, it's not here, yeah. Very quiet, everyone. Very quiet. We are walking beside the river, everybody, but it's disturbing the trees, everyone. I cannot show you, small only. Have a tree. The trees is there, very disturbing. I hope I can make upload today, everyone. Sometimes when I make upload, everyone, I don't have a lot of time. That is in the co-op over there. Co-op store. We cut the trees, yeah. We cut the trees. Normal of everyone, they will cut the trees like that, yeah. It's like a jackhammer. Ano sa nga na? Sinso. Sinso na sa Philippines, sinso. We are far away, everyone. It's not there. Distance hindi ako. That is the sinso. River, everyone. Oh, the problem is the disturbing trees, yeah. The birds, you can see it also there, everyone there. Yes, guys, there is a trash can also beside in the sitting. 41 minutes, where everyone go back slowly in the house. Go back. Yeah. This is a haring adlaw. The sun will not go out, everyone. Doesn't go out hiding yet. That is a sign the raining is coming, everyone. Hiding. Hiding. Ay. We are under a bridge, everyone. Under a bridge, everybody. Yeah. All the traffic upstairs, everyone. Yeah. Yeah. The river, everyone. You walk only, everybody, under a bridge. Then go back, Lisa. Go back. Go back in the house, yeah. Okay. Straight na tayo everyone and we have to go to the right side, yeah. We go straight and then right side, yeah. I need to go home. Ay, I'm very happy because my friend is offering me. She have 6 pieces of Rasa Yuki, 6. So she will give me 2. Nah, no more fisherman here. Everybody is working, yeah. Last time I have fisherman here. Fisherman will go here, oh, sitting. Look everyone, oh. That is the bridge, yeah, going Awan interstate. They'll go that any kind of countries they'll go. That, yeah. That is only for free everyone. It's no paying, no. It's not like to go in Italy there is for paying. Yeah. Here is no. In Switzerland is no. You can drive if you like, no problem. So let's go everybody. I have to go continue everyone. Going back to the house kay maabtan tag-uwan. Si Haring Adlaw hindi lumabas. The sun will not go out. That's Bruna, oh. Always has a Bruna here, oh. Bruna minion, yeah. The sun will not go out. That is a problem, yeah. You will go out, but the sun is very nice. It doesn't go out yet. Eating big waves because there is a boat. There is the boat, yeah. Maybe that is the boat for learning because the two guys is the wearing complete when it's falling down in the water is safety. Yeah. We have also that everyone. My husband doesn't wear. Buy already 2, but they doesn't like to wear. It's useless, yeah. Mahal ba? Mahal. It's only for in case ba? For emergency. Look everyone, oh. Flowers, yeah. White. It's almost pulling down on the flowers na no more. Leaves, leaves. We're going home everyone. Go back to the house everybody. I'm just only walking slowly everyone. Slowly walking guys. To go back home. To go back in the house, yeah. The train stop and no hope. We will stop, yeah. Very quiet everyone. Very quiet. In the tennis club, oh, they will make it watering the grass inside. To make it watering the grass. We will go na train everyone da. Go na to Brog. Then back. Train 12. Train 12 everyone. I do not bring the bread everybody because in the morning is not hungry the ducks on the swan. They doesn't eat in the morning no. In the 2 o'clock that is the best if you like to give 2 o'clock. That is the time is hungry. In the morning they doesn't like to eat. Last time I bring over there, they doesn't eat. Doesn't eat breakfast yeah. So I do not bring. It's useless yeah. Anyway, the pigs can eat that. No problem. You turn off na the water. Dahil upstream lang ako. You turn off na. Here's the one guy over there. Sitting. Nagtubuh na ako doon. They will clean out there. Oh, they start to clean now. This one they will start here. Starting for starting the trees. Yeah. Use a small machine. Ay, banhot everyone. Here is train station. Train station everyone. Oh, there is no steamer there. Oh, we have to go here. Oh, here train everyone. Oh, timingan po dito. The train will be. The train is there everyone. Just only cleaning everyone. Use the machine for cleaning. Yeah. Just only we pass everyone. Just only we pass. Yeah. They will clean. Yeah. To clean the dusty of the road. Yeah. Nice flowers everyone. Oh, like orchids. Yeah. Like orchids. Very nice garden. Very big. I walk only here everyone. It's not in the underground of the tree in the train there kasi very dark there. Bitter here. Ay, thank you Lord, it's not raining. But looks like raining. The wind is raining is coming. Dark. Dark now. Little bit. Because the sun will not go out. Patakas sa si babaw everyone. Oh. Yeah, everyone, oh. Train station. Here is a train station, everyone. Here. Very nice, yeah. Very quiet. Train station, yeah, New Hope. On the other one, the other building is building for old, yeah. We go home now, everybody. We have to go home now kasi hi. Anyway, I have food already, everyone. I have a food already. Just only I have to cook the mais. Yeah, mais. I like the mais. Mais powder. Not the mais stick. Go to the other side, everyone. We wait until the auto is away. The building there, everyone. Oh, very nice. Yeah. Many buildings around. Building. Very quiet, everyone. Very quiet. Wait, everyone. I have to make my hair. My hair about pull down my baat. Yeah. So now it's better, everyone. I make my hair kurik baat kasi na-pull down eh. Ay. So go home time, everyone. I have to go home now. Very quiet, everyone. Very quiet. Ay, I forgot to bring the glass. There is the glass. Oh, throw away. I forgot. Brown, green, and white color for a glass. Yeah. This for throw away glass, everyone. That yeah. Forgot to bring. Maybe 10 minutes na lang until we're in the house, everyone. Maybe guys, 10 minutes, yeah. Nice, oh, nice siguro some flowers, oh. The flowers is very nice, yeah. There is the heart, everyone, oh. Look, the heart's oh, very nice, oh. Stone, the heart, stone. Stone. Wow. So nice. We have to go home, everyone. Look, what is the time now? The building. Very big building, yeah. The school, kindergarten. That. Kinder is there, yeah. Go back in the house, everyone. Entirely. Nice flowers, oh. Nice, yeah. Really lit. Yeah. Attack us, but everyone, my house. We're upstairs, yeah. Nice to go down there. Go up a kuya. Yeah. Danke. Okay. Everyone. I said thank you. I said thank you. Automatic will stop, eh. If you do not stop, no more license ka. The police will get that, yeah. License. It's just started. Automatic stop. Yeah. Slowly to go up, everyone, yeah. I'm going to travel now. Have baggage sa mga travel. Yeah, nice flowers, everyone, oh. Pink and white, yeah. Yeah. Pink and white. Pink, white, pink. Very nice, yeah. Ay. Slowly to go up. 5 minutes, everyone. I am in the house. Ay, my friend, dali-dali to siya to sa post. Hindi dayon kay the family will come home for lunch also. I hope I do not forget ya. Tomorrow morning I have to pick up sayuti for the plant ya. I have to plant 1 hour and 7 minutes ya. Yes, enough time I have, everyone. I have to turn off when I'm back at home because I go in the garden. Nakbara, cleaning garden. Oh. Cleaning. Pass in the house. Yeah. Ay. Stay ibang ulo ko. Christmas tree. Hoy, Hans Peter. Nakbar. Nakbar. So, we are in the house almost, everyone. Ay. Nah. Our house is there. Ay. We are here, everybody. We have to go inside now. Go inside now, everyone. So, we open the door, everyone. Hi, thank you, Lord. I am now here. Hi, hi, God, thank you. Thank you, God. Very dark, everyone. Yeah, guys, it's very dark because of the raining is coming. The raining is coming, everyone. So I have to take up all. Yeah. Wait, everyone, I take off my coat and my shoes. Don't be turn off, ha? Yeah. Ay, Diyos ko. Diyos ko, Diyos ko. Thank you, Lord. I'm here now, yeah. Take off the shoes, everybody, cause I put this one in the hanger, everyone, ha? I like to make it all as in the arrange, yeah. Ay, magbababay na po ako, everyone. Oy, kasi I have to prepare for the lunch, everyone. I have to prepare my lunch, the lunch. But first, I go in the garden. Garden first, yeah. Drinks at water, everyone. Kaya I prepare already water here, oy. Oh, kutasa. Kutasan si Piggy, oy. Kutasan si Piggy. Kutas, everyone, oy. Pasaka sa taas, amo ang balay. Sak uno a little bit, yeah. There down, over there is the bus station and train station. Downstairs, yeah, there. A little bit up, yeah, we are in the middle, yeah. In the middle, yeah. Yeah, Diyos ko, God. A little bit cold, my piece, oh, yeah. A little bit, yeah. The glass I prepare already before I go. Because when I'm back, it's ready na. Ready to drink. But anyway, I have water in my bag, everyone. But I do not drink or stop, no. My style is direct home, yeah. Direct is in the house, yeah. I have to go in the garden, everyone. Go to the garden because I have to give the for the sneaky that the sneaky will not eat my vegetables in the garden, yeah. I have to put powder there around in the plant. Cheers, everyone. Cheers, guys. Sana po subscribe po kayo sa akin for my birthday. My birthday gift. Hi, almost my birthday, everyone. May 26, my birthday. Getting older and older and older, yeah. 50 years old na, suka, yeah. Hi. Thirsty. I do not drink the cold water, everyone. No, no. Yes, only normal water I drink, yeah, normal. Just only I will eat ice cream, but not always, yeah. Sometimes, yeah. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, everybody. That you are updated for the next vlog. Please. Sana po, subscribe po kayo, like and share to my YouTube channel and also to my page, my Facebook page. I have also everyone, please. Para makatulong po tayo, everyone, oy. Wala pa tayo. Wala pa. Yan lang, tiis lang. Kailangan po talagang mag-antos. Magtiis. Who knows? God knows, yeah. God knows. Nah, patubig na po akong ilong, everybody, ora. Nah. Disturbing my nose, yeah. magwas pas lisasahan siya. Wala po ko yan wasa ya. Anyway, I will only this one I will hold, not this one. I hope everybody it will be okay. I hope. Wait guys, kay may mananap sa tibon ni sa tapot. Small spider ya. The spider small one ya. Ay, Diyos ko God. Very boring here everyone. That's why I have to go around beside the river only. I do not make it all the river there beside very long. Just only go there quickly there over there yeah. And then back yeah. Magbababay na po ako sa inyo everyone. I wanna see it to everybody a bye-bye. Because I have to go in the garden everyone. I go in the garden. I have to preparing for the sneaky that doesn't eat my plants. I give a powder around of the plant everyone that they cannot go to the my plant. They doesn't eat the leaves or otherwise is patay my plant if I do not make yeah. When it's raining, the sneaky will be like to eat the leaves yeah. Especially the leaves is the very fresh. Like that yeah. Sana po enjoy po kayo at saka I hope you are all is okay and God bless to all. Ingat po lahat. Ingat po kayong lahat everyone. Have a nice day to all and please subscribe to my YouTube channel everyone. Like and share that you are updated for the next vlog and also to my Facebook page. Please everyone. I want to see it to everybody. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching everyone. See you next vlog. Bye-bye.